Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I am back again with another video. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video, and I wore something that I feel like might just go pretty well with this particular item. If you haven't guessed already, it is a handbag, but there might also be an additional surprise in the box. But there might be an additional surprise in this box. So let's check out and see what it is. Got my handy dandy ceramic knife. Sorry I haven't come at you guys in a couple days with a video. I was sort of under the weather yesterday. I don't know if it was related to all the cleanup I was doing down in my basement. I was exposed to a lot of dust and just old stuff, and the water was everywhere, and people say that groundwater can actually have chemicals in it, so I don't know. I think I just had a bug, but who knows? My husband thinks he might have had a bug at the end of last week. So these items are from the outlet, and the first item is spilling out of the box. So I have been really enjoying my denim pieces from the retail store. And I saw this particular hat on the outlet website, and actually, gosh, this feels really good. And I go to a lot of baseball games and my hair blows around like crazy. And the retail version of the denim hat, I did not love how the bill of the hat had leather around it. And I find that this happens occasionally where I might prefer just the style of the item on the outlet just a little better. Like for example, with the trail bag versus the K bag. Both canteen style bags, but I like the K bag, which is the outlet version, better than the trail bag, which is the retail version. And the reason is how it opens. The K bag has a turn lock and the trail bag has a zipper, which gets in the way. Okay, so it is on a setting too small. My head is abnormally large. I don't know if you have noticed this about me, but let me see if I can somehow extend this to fit my huge head. I want to make sure there's enough that it tucks in there. It's kind of a cool way it adjusts. It has this little spot where it tucks in the excess. Hey, there we go. I like this. This may be like the best baseball cap I own. My husband says I don't look very good in baseball caps, and I would have to agree. I feel like I look kind of like a trucker or something. My head is just not a very good baseball cap head, but maybe it's just because I haven't had the right kind of baseball cap. Well, I'm going to baseball later tonight, so I can give this bad boy a try. But I really like blue on me, and so I think this is pretty sharp. Now, this is my other item that I got in this haul. Now, I was just talking to you about the K bag. I opened that straw K bag last week, and I sent that one back because not only did I pay a higher price for it, but it had that really bad wrinkling on the back hinge. And I reached out to another YouTuber and asked her if hers had that, because she had unboxed it before I had. And hers didn't have anything like that. And my other two K bags didn't have anything like that. So I thought, well, I'm going to send that back, see if I can get a good one. But I just completely lost my train of thought. It's one of those days. Anyway, I was thinking about getting a K bag in this denim. And then I would have three, because I would have the straw one, which hopefully the next one I get's good. I would have the Basquiat one, and I would have the denim one. But the denim one's not available on the Coach Outlet website anymore. And when I say denim, I mean this chambray. People kind of say it interchangeably. On Mercari and Poshmark, people were asking $238 was the lowest. And then on top of that, there would have been taxes and fees and all that. And so there was one bag, one chambray bag that I had seen when the Outlet dropped their denim collection last, well, I don't know if it was this past spring or if it was last year, but it seems like it's been a while ago. There was one that I liked, and I liked it better than the K bag. And I didn't jump on it because I just didn't feel like I needed it. But when I got my other denim pieces and saw how much stuff they went with, I was just so tempted by this chambray line that they did. And so I went back and I was looking at the K bag and sort of wishing for it, but it's not on the Outlet website anymore, and people want $238 plus shipping plus tax, so it would have been like $260, and I wasn't willing to pay $180 for it when it was $180. But they still had this one. And so I looked at it and I looked at reviews of it, and I'm telling you, this chambray feels really nice. Last year or the year before, Coach had a Riley 22 in chambray, and I felt that was a 1941 collection bag, and I did not like how it felt as well as I like how this feels. So this bag has smooth leather. And this is one of the things I didn't like about this bag. I don't like how it says Coach there. I wish it didn't. I feel like with all the C's, we know it's Coach. But I'm going to try to get over that. I mean, if it was Louis Vuitton and it said Louis Vuitton there, I would be okay with it. So I should be okay with it if it says Coach. So that was one thing I didn't love. And the K bag, and I'm just going to insert a picture of the K bag here. It doesn't have this Coach thing, so that was like one win for the K bag versus this bag. But this bag had a lot of other wins. So looking at it, I'm not seeing any issues, so I'm going to go ahead and unwrap it. Okay, let me grab something. So the K bag, it had a navy blue strap with a chain that was about this long on it, on each end. And this bag won out over the K bag because this bag has this natural colored leather strap, and I was thinking that it would match the field tote pretty darn well. And if you look at it there, it really does. It's a very, 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 very close match. It's like an exact, even the glazing, it's like an exact match. So what doesn't match? Well, the hardware doesn't match, but for this bag, all the straps that I want to use with it, which include the Dress Up My Purse strap, and I'll link the Dress Up My Purse website down below. It was the navy strap that I showed you with the vachetta, honeyed vachetta on the ends. That strap has shiny gold hardware. And then the Louis Vuitton vachetta strap, which, don't get me wrong, I love my Louis Vuitton, but if I'm carrying a Coach bag like this, then, oh, I just lost something. Voila. You got to be careful of these suckers because they just fly right off and you need them. They're your keeper. And it's even tight. Sometimes they're not tight. But when I saw, or when I'm thinking about using this bag so that I can save my Louis Vuitton and Saint Laurent and Gucci bags and stuff and not use them when I'm going to places that I might worry about my bags a little more, I don't really want to use my Louis Vuitton vachetta strap, even though it looked fantastic with this bag. So the Louis Vuitton strap has shiny gold hardware on it. So if I'm willing to wear that with this bag, I certainly can wear this gorgeous strap with this bag. And actually, the honey patina on it, it's just a perfect match for the field tote. If you're wondering where this super cute outfit with the pockets sticking out is from, the jeans are from Gia Rose and the top is from Gia Rose, and I will link them below. Okay, so this little bag here that I just got has already served part of its function by giving me another strap option. I've got so many straps to put on this bag that she's going to be taken care of forever. And then also look, it sort of coordinates. I mean, it's the reverse. The C's are dark and everything else is light, versus this one, the C's are light and everything else is dark. But I think it looks pretty decent together. I'm talking about the hat, if you hadn't got that. So this has this cute little top handle in this vaqueta leather. I'm just going to call it vaqueta leather. It may be treated, I'm not sure, but it's got the cute little tassels. You see? And then let me get my glasses out just so I can look at it a little closer. You can see there, it's got a little wrinkle right there. And it's got wrinkles underneath the handle. I mean, it's leather wrinkles. It's nothing like what I was experiencing on the other bag. Let's see how it fastens closed. The other bag from this line that I was considering was the Marley. And the Marley had a burgundy interior. And that was a drawback for that, a big one for me, because I really like the honey interior. So I like how this closes. Sometimes with this type of closure, it's a real buckle, and then you end up wrinkling up the leather even more right there. But this is a really nice closure. It's a magnet, and it works. Yay! I'm unwrapping this girl all the way. She's gonna be naked when I'm done with her. So this is kind of interesting. They've lined the edges in leather, and that's actually considered an upgrade to have that lined in leather. And then they have got the D-rings right here on the sides of the flap. And there's a nice zippered compartment here in the middle. And there is the Coach Care card back here, talking about probably the recycling thing. Not ready to get rid of my bags yet, so we'll just forget about that for now. It seems like it's pretty roomy here in the front and has a nice pocket in the back. And then let's just do a little spin around and check her out from all angles. I'm noticing that this leather, it tends to have little imperfections, little wrinkles, and it may be because it's the natural leather. I mean, you'd sort of expect to see some of that on the underneath side of here, and I certainly have some wrinkling on my Louis Vuitton bags with the natural leather. Let's look at the sides. So that's a smooth leather, and it has a light colored stitching on it. Let's look at the back. The back has this generous slip pocket here, and let's see. It does not have that leather strip, but that's okay. Let's look at the bottom. The bottom has 4 feet, and they all look shiny and new, and the leather on the bottom looks really good. And then let's look at this side. The leather on this side looks pretty darn good too. So all in all, I think I got a good one. This little spot here is kind of annoying, but I think that's just because of the way it's bent. I mean, it's really bent to slide on in there. And by the way, this is how the pochette Matisse fastens on the top too. You see right there? Coach Cassie fastens even more similarly than the pochette Matisse does. So I was thinking too that I could take this little tassel off, because I'm not sure that this bag needs a tassel, although it's really cute, and put this tassel onto my soft tabby. So this bag was $159.20. That was the price on it, which is a pretty darn good price for a bag that has this many accessories and things going on for it. I would say it's a pretty good deal. Let me get this tassel off and see if I can show you my grand vision for all the parts for this bag. Oh wow, you cannot take this tassel off. It is not removable. Good luck tying it back the way it was. So I may just order a dress up my purse tassel to go with my soft tabby. But I am being paged. It's time for me to go. This little bag's still on the Eyelet website. I'm going to go ahead and post the video, and I'll post the link for that so you can run out and buy it, because it is super cute and it looks like it'll hold a decent amount. I'll do a future review on what it holds, and just let me know what you think. I mean, do you think this is a winner? I like it. I think it'll be just a little bit more carefree than maybe this bag would be, because it's a lower price point. So this is maybe going to be my baseball denim bag. And plus, goes with my baseball cap. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this. I'm Erin. I'm the Handbag Housewife. If you like videos like this, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Do it. And also, don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified of upcoming videos. And I also post outfits of the day and bags of the day over on Instagram. So go check me out there if you haven't. I'll talk to you later. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.